Hey everybody, welcome to a little problem that I encountered. I'm getting ready to share a webinar with you on the 12th of May. That is tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. streaming via our Facebook group. And if you want to come and join in, I'm showing you how to connect your report to a website source of data. Now it's going to be very exciting. I'm super excited about running this course. The content of the data that we're going to be using is how you can create your own COVID-19 chart and dashboard based on that information. But hey, what you want to do is make sure that you signed up for our course, that you've joined the group, and that you are potentially in the Facebook group. Yeah, we will be sending out details. If you're not on Facebook, don't worry about it. We'll send out details tomorrow about how you can join live using another platform. But the best bet is to get onto that Facebook group and join the group, and you'll get all the other information, all the other videos I've made, and sort of the guidance that I'm giving you around what to do. But this morning, what I want to speak to you today is this morning I went to my dashboard, the one that I created in preparation for this webinar that we're doing tomorrow. I opened it up and I got a dreaded message. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you just what happened to me. So this morning I get to my thing. I open my, here you can see this is the graph that I've been using. Obviously lots of preparation that I've also been doing for the course. You'll see all the other documents to take you through what's going on. So this is the Excel dashboard that I've built. You'll see I've got the daily infections, the total and daily tests, numbers, and then I also have a mortality rate here. Very sad, at the point where we last updated was the 5th of the 5th. You can see today's date is the 11th. So I did what I normally do. I head on through to select a graph, go to analyze, and refresh all. Yeah. And that normally worked. That worked for a while now, just updating my graph. I want to see the new data. There's a couple of news items that have come out, you know, talking about the things. And I go, what's this? An error. Oh, no. What do I do? And once we refresh, I'm going to say no, because one error is error too many. And I go ahead and I look at Power Query, and I see all these yellow lines here. What does this all mean? So when I go in and I look at my data, because we're using Power Query, it's so awesome. Look at that. It tells you, go to the error. Oh, cool. This is where the error is. But why is that an error? That was one of the columns. Why is it an error? And so when I investigated, so this is the table that you would have seen, that's part of what it looked like when I initially set it up. So there's the EC column that it's referring to over here. That's the EC column, which is the province, Eastern Cape, and the rest of it. So I'll say, okay, when I went to the website, to Wikipedia, to check what could have changed, I open it up and I get this. I get, okay, they changed things, so the format of the columns are coming out differently. Now, if this was a normal report and you've done all sorts of copying and pasting and stuff like that, it could have been a nightmare to resolve. But because this is Power Query, because we're using the advanced features or new features in Excel, and we're not relying on functions and VLOOKUPs and all that other stuff, this isn't a problem. It's easily fixed. You got to go and you got to fix it, but it's easily fixed. And so we also see we got some new data. Screen, fantastic. Hospitalized, I assume that is, and those in ICU. These are data points that are important as we get to this phase of this pandemic, especially in our country. We want to understand not just who's testing positive and who's recovering, but we also want to know who's being hospitalized, because that's the important part, is to help save and protect our health system. So it's very important to know these numbers as well. So come and join us tomorrow in the webinar. I'm going to go through how you fix these kinds of issues when you hit it in your reports. Remember, my training is all centered around how to do really advanced reports in a super simple way. And I want to give you that lessons. I want to show you how you can do that super reporting with basic technicality. So my reports don't include a lot of technicality. This report will go through some of the Power Query stuff that shows you some of the more advanced kind of stuff, but it's all point and click. Once you understand how to structure your data, it'll be all super easy. So come and join me tomorrow. I'm super psyched to see you there and I cannot wait. Awesome.